What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic roller coaster project construction update, and hopefully there has been some progress. Let's go! First up over here at City Walk, well, that metal sticking out above the wall, still the same. As far as inside, not too much different either. But on this side, however, we can see some new steel up in the air for a frame of some sorts, and then it looks like an entrance right over there. And from this side again, more steel framework up around what we believe is going to be the main entrance. Looking good. Hello again, Islands. Good to see you as always. Don't think we're going to be getting any rain today, but it is very, very hot. And here we can see the ticket windows, not busy. Turnstiles on the right are closed. Ones on the left are open with no wait. Yep, no wait to get their temperature checks, security, or the front entrance, and we are on our way. Alrighty guys, let's check out the wait times. The park is open till 6 p.m. We can see Hulk at 15 minutes, Dr. Doom at 10 minutes, Kong at 60 minutes, 10 minutes for P-Flyer's Forbidden Journey, 10 minutes, 5 minutes for Fly of the Hippogriff, 5 minutes for Seuss Trolley and Carousel. And then on the next page we can see Hagrid's at 20 minutes, which is not bad. Jurassic Park, 10 minutes, Popeye and Bluto's 5 minutes, and Dudley Do-Rights at 5 minutes also. Well, hello there, Jurassic Roller Coaster Project. Looking really good. In fact, I see some new track placement. They've connected the end where basically the S-bend was to the brake run. So that piece is done. And guess what? Only 2 track segments are left. And that's the turn for the brake run leading back towards the station. Ladies and gentlemen, we have discovered a new species. With gamma radiation and a normal duck, we have Hulk ducks. Looks like the ospreys are gonna have to find a new home as there's a tarp at the very top, but I'm also seeing a hole like an animal has ripped one into it. Jurassic Park River Adventure and Jurassic Roller Coaster Project. Like usual, just look at all of that rock work, and we can now see some forms rising way up into the air on the main structure there. Doing a little bit of painting, it looks like, on some of those I-beams. Remember how we told you some employees were signing the structure? Well, we can see the signatures right there. Tower crane is on the move with a big slab. over here by the bypass bridge and the stall, and we can see some new additions to the supports, and that's for netting that will go over the walkway. Oh my gosh, we actually have some progress on the rumored locker area for Forbidden Journey. What? Ah, yes, the sweet sounds of construction, and another metal beam right there. If you're thinking to yourself, that track and support looks mighty shiny, well guess what? They're pressure washing it right now. Looks like some of the forms for the concrete bases are going in. See, these foundations right here don't have them, but the ones up on the hill over there do. Like usual, our friends at Construction Fish are here. Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic roller coaster project, and I am happy to say we are just 2 pieces of track away from the layout being completed. We saw the pieces over in the storage lot loaded up onto the flatbed, and they should be heading over very, very soon. We've also had some flying dinosaurs. Yes, that's right. Some raptors were flying in the air. We saw the fence line is looking good. Lots of rock work. And of course, we're going to have more updates from here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.